everyone, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that, because last video mein I have mentioned that 70% of my audience, they are not subscribed to my channel, which is very disheartening because मैं इतनी मेहनत करके videos upload करती हूँ and it's just gonna take less than a minute to hit the red subscribe button down below. So do that, it will mean a lot to me. Also, once we hit 100k now, I'll be doing a huge giveaway, so it's gonna be a win-win situation for both of us. So सोचने वाली बात ही नहीं है, just hit the red subscribe button. Alright, so today's video is going to be a vlog, but ये ऐसा वैसा कोई vlog नहीं है. Today I will be organizing my makeup collection because things are getting out of hands and मेरी मम्मी मुझे घर से बाहर फेंक देंगी if I don't organize my vanity right now. And some of you guys have been also asking for a makeup collection video, so वो भी हो जाएगा and that would be awesome. A quick disclaimer for all those people who are going to comment down below that oh my gosh, she has so much makeup. I know I have a lot of makeup, but this is my profession, this is my full-time job. मुझे इन सब प्रोडक्ट्स की ज़रूरत है to review it for you all, to do makeup tutorials, to do comparisons and all that. So I need all these products. You will never go to a teacher and ask them why do you have hundreds of red, blue, black pen and so many notebooks, because that's their profession. And the same goes for a doctor as well. You'll never go and ask a doctor why do you have so many medicines and why do you have so many surgery equipments, because that's their profession and उनको उसकी ज़रूरत है. And same goes for me as well. This is my profession, my job, and मुझे ज़रूरत है इतने मेकअप की. I hope you guys understand. And it is now 5:40 in the evening. मुझे पता है मैं काफ़ी लेट स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ ये vlog because it's gonna take me a long time to organize everything. But this is who I am. मैं हर चीज़ लास्ट मिनट पे करती हूँ and मैं बचपन से लेके आज तक मम्मी से इसी बात पे डांट खाती आई हूँ. Let's not even talk about that. Alright, so before I start with organizing my makeup, I quickly have to go to the vet. Milo के ears check करवाने हैं because I think उसको ear infection हो रहा है because of humidity. He's very uncomfortable, so I'll go to the vet right now. And जब मैं वापस आऊँगी, we'll start with the fun stuff. मेरी चप्पल छोड़ दो please. मेरी चप्पल छोड़ दो. Thank you. No, no. Bad boy. ना परेशान किया माइलो आपने, बहुत बैड बॉय हुआ आज, ये बहुत बैड बॉय किया. Alright guys, I am back home. I have changed my clothes, सब कुछ sanitize भी कर लिया है. And Milo को thankfully he doesn't have ear infection, so that's good. But बहुत परेशान किया Milo ने. उसके ear वाला area is very sensitive, so he doesn't let anyone touch it. So अगर जब डॉक्टर चेक भी कर रही थी कि क्या है उसके ear में, तो वो करने ही नहीं दे रहा था. Now I will start by taking off all the makeup that I have in my drawers, but before that really quickly I'll show you my vanity and I'll show you कि कितनी ज़्यादा बुरी हालत है मेरे drawers की. So this is my vanity table. I have lights all around and these are my drawers जहाँ पे मैं makeup रखती हूँ, and there's this गंदा बच्चा. Anyways, so initially I did categorize all these drawers according to product. Like the first drawer is foundation, concealer, powder. The second one is lipstick. So I'll open this one by one. शौक मत होना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरी हालत है. I'm embarrassed. So here I have foundations, concealer, primer, eyeliner and kajal. These are compact powders and random stuff, like let's not even talk about that. Okay, so this is the second drawer. I have all the lipsticks here. बहुत ज़्यादा messy है and I seriously need to organize this. मुझे बहुत anxiety हो रही है इसको देख के. The third one here is skincare products. We have mixture of everything. These are serums, moisturizers, under eye creams, mist, these are sheet masks, random things here. And lastly here I have another skincare drawer. Here I have body products as well, like lotion, body butter, body oil, body wash and all that stuff. I have some extra face washes here. This is the simple one. You all know how much I love this. Coming to this drawer here, this is random, like literally random. I have these stick-on nails, mirror, nail polishes, सब कुछ इधर उधर पड़ा हुआ है. It's a total mess. Next, here I have highlighters, blush, bronzers. I have this Q-tip का डब्बा. I don't know, ये भी एक random चीज़ है यहाँ पे. These are highlighters, bronzers, contour, all that. And this is eyeshadow drawer. I have my eyeshadow palettes here. These Henna Beauty pot eyeshadows with these single ones. And lastly, I have very random things here. This is a cleaning kit spray for laptop and my phone. I have hair tools here, hair products, some face wash, my lens solution. Now you can see कितने ज़्यादा messy है मेरे drawers. टेबलटॉप पे आए, सो आई रिसेंटली रिमूव्ड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर एंड मैंने अपने ड्रॉर्स में लिटरली डंप कर दिया था. बट नाउ आई हैव ओनली केप्ट products that I use on a daily basis, and some are very familiar products that I talk on my channel very often. These are some things that I'll go through later in the video, and that's it. I like to keep my tabletop very clean. The funniest part is that I don't have organizers. I really wanted to get good quality ones from Miniso. Unfortunately, because of lockdown, Miniso khula nahi, and I couldn't find good ones on Amazon. I was thinking that अगर मुझे organizers लेने ही हैं तो मैं किसी अच्छे क्वालिटी में इन्वेस्ट करूं, बिकॉज वो मेरा बहुत टाइम तक चलेगा. सो इट्स बेटर टू इन्वेस्ट इन गुड क्वालिटी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू कीप माई मेकअप इन ऑर्डर. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. This is only one section and it's so crazy. खाली हो गया है and it is very very dirty, so I'll just get Colin and a kapda to clean this. हाँ जी, काम करी थी इससे ना, ऐसे क्या नहीं, वो नियॉन पिंक है, ये रेड है. नहीं, एक सेकंड, वेट, सिट माइलू, सिट. रुक. Hey guys, it is now 2 in the night and I am so tired. I cannot even tell you. My legs, my arms, my back, it's dead. Like literally I just want to crash and sleep because I just cannot stand anymore. Very quickly I want to show you all मैंने कैसे organize किया है. It took me hours and ये जो सारा सामान you can see यहाँ पे पीछे, इनमें कुछ सामान है that I want to throw which are expired, and there are few stuff that I want to donate. This is the first drawer. I had these organizers from Miniso which I got last year, so I've used them. Here I have my foundations, my eyelash color. This is the Face Shop liquid blush, and here I have my primers, my concealers, mascaras, brow pencil. Here I have my kajal, eyeliner, liquid eyeliners, pencil eyeliner, some random stuff. I have more eyeliners here. This is a glitter eyeliner. These are colorful liners, all that stuff. These are my setting powders. So I have loose powders, compacts, everything. And lastly, here I have my contact lenses and this full-size professional. In the next drawer, I have lipsticks. Do you guys remember what a mess this drawer was? I have decluttered so many lipsticks, and it feels so nice that I still have a lot of space to keep my new lipsticks. I've kept the Nykaa Wonder Puff collection. I use these a lot. I have some Huda lipsticks, the K-Beauty ones, NYX, Lakme, Colorbar. And here I have the Masaba, Rimmel, the Spectra Cosmetics ones, Nykaa mini lipsticks. I have the L'Oreal Rouge collection, the Maybelline Superstay, Sugar lip crayon, my favorite Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks, and lastly there's the Focular capsule lipsticks. So I've kept very few lipsticks, only the ones that I will use. The third drawer is my skincare drawer. So here I have my sheet mask, some moisturizers. These are from Believe, love these. These are face mask, few serums. These are my Requil under eye cream and acne clarifying gel. Lactocalamine, love this thing. My sunscreens and some random stuff that I use. So the last drawer has a lot of face care and body care products. In here I have some travel size Believe products, which will be very handy while I travel. These are my body products. These are few face washes, mist, cleansers, face wash, body wash, lotion and all that. These are toners, and that's pretty much it. These are under eye creams and all that. So this drawer is my highlighter, blush, bronzer section. Here I have all my highlighters. I have very few bronzers, and these are blushes. I need to buy more contouring slash bronzing products because मेरे पास बस दो ही हैं. So let me know in the comments down below which are your favorite products. Here I have all my eyeshadows. So here I have the new Rimmel Magnify eyeshadow palettes. These are the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palettes. This is Sigma Makeup Revolution. This is a Z palette. The 35B, the Jaclyn Hill one. This is the Focular, Tarte, Colourpop and all that. These are the singles Henna Beauty jelly eyeshadows. And in this basket right here I have my liquid glitters, loose glitters and all that. I also have this Huda Sapphire eyeshadow palette. In the next drawer I have false lashes. These are the only ones that I own. I threw so many lashes, it's just unbelievable. So I really like that I have a lot of space. So I have pack lashes. These are Winsome lashes, love these. My eyelash glue, these Henna Beauty lashes that I love a lot. Last drawer here I have my hair tools. These are some makeup fixing sprays. I also have some micellar water, shampoo, conditioner. Milo is very interested. This is an oil cleanser, a spare one that I have. So that's pretty much it. For my last section, these are random things, like literally this is the middle section and it is the most accessible drawer. So I keep things जो मैं आसानी से ले सकूँ, like my comb, my hair tie. These are my eye drops because I wear contact lenses. For my tabletop I have few things, only things that I use on a daily basis. So I have Vaseline for my chapped lips. I have few of my go-to perfumes that I enjoy. Love Simple, love the mango seed lotion. My vitamin C drops, you all know already how much I love these products. This Pixie Glow Tonic Serum. I have the Pixie Glow Tonic Toner, Cetaphil Moisturizer. This is the L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. This is great. This has salicylic acid. I'll be talking about this product very soon. And I have this new launch. This is the Bath and Body Works body cream in 1,000 wishes. So Bath and Body Works is finally on Nykaa. Definitely check it out. They have candles, body lotions, body wash, all that stuff. So Nykaa did send me this and I fell in love instantly. Body lotion, you guys know I cannot function without moisturizer. I have this jar thingy where I have kept all my blenders and it's clear, so it's very easy for me to see कि कौन-कौन से गंदे हैं and कौन-कौन से साफ हैं. I have this jar where I keep my cotton pads, so it's very easily accessible. This is a PR kit from Innisfree. Check out my Instagram if you want to know more about this. It's pretty clean. As I said before, I like my tabletop to be clean, and my favorite frame right here, so I can always see my little baby Ollie Bean. He looks adorable. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This is my vanity once again. I do have a lot of giveaway products that I have been collecting, and वो मैं अपने cupboard में रखती हूँ, so I don't end up using it, and वो नए के नए पड़े रहें. So I am collecting a lot of giveaway products for you guys. So subscribe to my channel if you want to win this big huge hamper. Help me hit 100k. That would be awesome. I'll wash my face and just I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your girlfriends, with your friends, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, hit the like button. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.